How to fix Instagram posting error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram posting error on Android phone. First, then just open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Now just go to Instagram. Wait, go to apps and then type here Instagram. And now just click on it, click force stop and then storage, clear cache, and you just go back to Instagram and try again and your problem will be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and go to permissions, allow this one storage, and then restart your phone and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.